I have so much homework to do. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Regina for those of you who don't know me, and for this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing like some Halloween makeup. I really do love makeup, I just am not talented, so I cannot like create my very own thing. I've created some looks, but they're so simple. But I basically found some like looks on Instagram and I thought that they were so cool and stuff, so I just saved them. And basically they're gonna be kind of an inspiration slash recreating their look, but in my own kind of way. So yeah, this is gonna be like a thing that I'm gonna be doing throughout October, which is almost ending. I think I have like 10 days left, so I'm gonna try to like put up like maybe 5 looks because I really do love Halloween and makeup. Basically, the person who did this look will be linked down below, and this is a look that I'm gonna be like kind of recreating. It feels so good like sitting down and filming. But basically it's Friday and I haven't posted a video since the week of my 5 Sauce concert, meaning that I haven't even like, it's been, last week was my birthday, so it's been about like 2 weeks since I haven't posted. So I'm gonna like actually film 10 videos today because college has just been insane and I just haven't had any time to film. For example, last week it was my birthday, so I was like occupied all week like doing different things, and this week I just had like a bunch of tests and stuff, and college life is hard. But actually college life is hard, but it's so good, at least to me. Like, I love school. I'm thinking about like starting a college series on my channel because I think that would be cool, because I see a lot of like the big, I don't want to like shade anyone, honestly no one cares. I have like 1,000 subscribers, but the point is I feel like a lot of like the big YouTubers never like finished college or never like finished their high school, like, you know, and it's cool, you know, school wasn't for them. But I think that there's such a culture nowadays where like if you don't hate school, you're weird, and that's bad. Like, school isn't bad, you just need to find a way to love it, you know? Like, I love school, I actually do love school, but I also love YouTube, and it's okay. Like, you can do a lot of things at the same time, you just need to know what you love. Okay, so basically if you don't know what I did right now is I just grabbed my foundation, but you can use a concealer to basically like get a normal base around, and then I just set with a powder to like, you know. Oh, I'm gonna grab this elf brush, which is like a fluffy blending brush, and what I'm gonna do, hopefully it's clean, I used it yesterday to like try to do this look. So I'm gonna grab this kind of orangey shade and I'm just gonna put that like all over the crease, but try to do it like a circle and not just like the shape that I always do, which is like put it and then drag it out. So I'm literally just like doing a circle right here, and then I'm just gonna like drag it out in the corner. Okay, cool. So basically the person who did this has like a very big eye. I actually don't. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this kind of red shade. I don't have the names because they came with like a plastic and I obviously lost it, so I'm just like actually doing the same shade. Okay, now that I'm done with that, like blending, it's looking good. Who am I? I'm gonna grab now this shade that is like a little bit darker, this one, and I'm grabbing with this brush that is like more of a dense brush, not like a fluffy brush, and I'm just packing it completely just in the center on the lid, like on the circle. We're gonna blend it out in a bit, okay, don't worry. So basically what you want to create is like the same like I packed it completely, as you can see. I think you can see like I packed it completely, but I created the same kind of shape that I was doing, so like a circle and then like the little outer corner. But now since there's like a lot of harsh edges, I'm just gonna grab this and this color and blend it out so that it looks like a little bit more cohesive, pretty. So I'm just gonna continue blending and packing it until I'm happy with it. what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab a eyeliner brush, which is like super fine, and then I'm just gonna grab my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and hopefully I won't mess it up. I just dipped like the tiniest bit, so oh god, I don't know how big it needs to be. So I'm gonna put it all the way up here. I'm done with the eyes. Can you see that? Do you appreciate that, or am I insane? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Cool. This looks cool. Do you see that? Now I need to like let it dry because that is insane. I love it. I'm gonna use this same brush to set it with some powder. Because if I leave it like that, it's probably gonna like mess up some things. So do you see that? Can you see that? Is it looking good? I don't know. I can't see it. Obviously, when I open my eyes, you cannot see it, which sucks. But if I'm looking down, it looks so good. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll come back to do the eyes. For my under eye, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab this and then after I did that, I'm just gonna grab the orange and the red. Now I'm just gonna grab the Nude Tude palette, and I'm gonna grab this goldish tone eyeshadow and put it in my inner corner. And then I'm gonna grab the same shadow and put it over here in my brow bone. I'm gonna grab the Kylie Cosmetic Like Gloss. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Plus subscribe to my channel because I really love doing Halloween makeup, and I'm gonna be doing more soon, so I hope you like it. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. You've kept me sleeping.